Hello, folks. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, here to provide valuable insights on the current events rocking the manufacturing industry. Today, we'll be exploring how government actions and economic factors are shaping the industry's landscape. We will touch on potential government shutdowns, the launch of new production facilities amidst economic uncertainty, and recent grants aimed at improving railway safety. Stay tuned to understand how these events could impact your operations and maintenance teams. In the recent past, we've discussed an extensive range of topics, from the trillions of dollars set aside by the Infrastructure Bill and the CHIPS Act for reshoring manufacturing and green initiatives to the history and impact of unionization within manufacturing. We've also examined the geopolitical climate, the labor shortage, and other economic factors affecting the industry. Now we're shifting our focus to a roundup of current events and their impact on the manufacturing world. Let's dive into some of the top stories and what they mean for our industry. Up first, there's a potential government shutdown on the horizon. If it does happen, it could start as early as this weekend. While a short-term shutdown might not significantly affect manufacturing, the longer it lasts, the larger the ripple effect might be. This is because a government shutdown halts all non-essential services. So, if manufacturing companies have government contracts or rely on government-produced data to make decisions, they could be impacted. Moreover, businesses waiting to receive government funds to begin manufacturing products like solar panels or semiconductors might need to wait a bit longer. In other news, amidst all this talk about a possible government shutdown, some companies are just launching new production facilities. Both First Solar and Wolfspeed have recently broken ground in their respective hometowns, funded in large part with public money from the Inflation Reduction Act and the CHIPS Act. First Solar's facility in Iberia Parish, Louisiana, which cost $1.1 billion, broke ground on September 21st. Meanwhile, Wolfspeed, based in Durham, North Carolina, just started construction for its $2.5 billion materials manufacturing facility. Despite the threat of a government shutdown, the current administration hasn't stopped announcing new spending. Just a few days ago, more than $1.4 billion was awarded to projects aimed at improving railway safety and boosting capacity. Most of this money was set aside in Biden's 2021 infrastructure law. One of the biggest grants gave the Palouse River and Coulee City Railroad in Washington $72.8 million to upgrade their track to handle modern 286,000-pound rail cars designed for shipping raw materials and finished products. But it's not all smooth sailing. The ongoing United Auto Workers strike is dealing a double blow to auto manufacturers trying to increase electric vehicle availability through component and battery-related production. This week, Ford paused construction of its $3.5 billion electric vehicle factory in Marshall, Michigan, citing the UAW strike as one reason for the decision. This EV battery manufacturing facility was part of a $50 billion effort to grow its EV business. So, as you can see, it's been a significant week in manufacturing with the ongoing UAW strike, potential government shutdown, and other expansion projects in various stages of development. We're all hoping that agreements can be reached quickly across the board so we can get back to the exciting developments on the horizon. And that wraps up our roundup of current events in the manufacturing industry. We've covered potential government shutdowns, the launch of new production facilities, and the impact of strikes on the industry. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and operations teams, visit our website at upkeep.com. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.